Welcome to this pronunciation video. Today we will be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So let's dive into today's word.
Храп.
Which means,
Snore in Russian.
let's say it all together.
Храп. Храп. Храп.
One more time.
Храп. Храп. Храп.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.